This video explains how to buy shares of AtaiBeckley Inc., a biopharmaceutical company working on psychedelic-assisted therapies listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ATAI. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. Do your own research before making any decisions. You must use a licensed broker to buy ATAI shares, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker ATAI to find AtaiBeckley Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ-listed company so you reach the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company overview, recent news, and the price chart to understand current market activity. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ATAI ticker to confirm this is the correct stock. To buy, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, review fees and order details, and then confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform. This is provided as an educational reference.